What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are returning, and welcome to the new subscribers, new viewers. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell while you're at it so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Today is Saturday the 4th of December and I'm up in Signal Hill just doing a quick run. Yeah, I just wanted to take you guys with. Yeah, come along. Hey guys, so I've been running for about 11 minutes. I've covered 1.5 kilometers and I'm gonna walk for about 2 minutes and then run back and then end my run. And then end my run with the 5-minute cool down. So that will be a walk. Yeah guys, it's actually quite nice out here. I went on an evening hike last evening. Well, I shot a vlog, but I wasn't really happy with how it came out, so I'll try go on another hike pretty soon and then show you guys what it looks like. I'm thinking of doing the pipe track. I haven't done that hike. Yeah, so yeah, that's the update, guys. I actually saw, I don't know what that thing is. I think it's a Dasi. If not a Dasi, it's probably like a mongoose or some shit. Sorry for the language, but yeah, it's probably like a mongoose. Yeah guys, yeah, I think my 2-minute walk is up, so I'm gonna start running back and then I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, I'm done with my run. I managed to do 4 kilometers. I'm just taking a little bit of a break and then I'm gonna start walking back. I think it's about 3-minute walk back to where I'm parked. And yeah, it was actually quite refreshing. Yeah, the sun is not out, it's overcast. Perfect weather for running. Yeah, I'm happy that I came out here. I actually have work to do today from 1 o'clock. We have DR testing, which is disaster recovery testing. Yeah guys, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog just before I start with work so that I can try and edit this vlog and have it out before I start with any work related stuff. So yeah guys, yeah, let me just start with my walk and I'll catch y'all later. Now that was really fun. I almost feel like a kid again. Yeah, it was really quite fun flying the drone. However, I was a little bit nervous because this is a no-fly zone. So yeah, but I had a lot of fun, guys. I'm actually really hungry, so I'm just gonna try and grab something to eat quickly, and then I'm thinking of going for a swim in Sea Point. Let's see how that goes.